All right, guys, we're back with Lone Star Grillz. Today we are going to season the brand new El Patron. We're going to show you how to season it, why we season it, and how to control the temperature here. There's three main reasons why we want to season a new grill like this. Doesn't matter if it's a new smoker, if it's an El Patron, if it's one of our Santa Marias. We need to go through that seasoning process. Number one reason is while this is 1200 degree resistant paint, that paint has to go through a cure cycle. So what we want to do is start a fire, bring the temperature up kind of low and slow between that 225 and 250. We want to maintain it there for 3 to 6 hours, allowing this paint to fully cure. That way it's got all those heat resistant properties that the grill needs. Number two, this is all bare metal. We want to coat the inside of this bare metal with any kind of cooking oil, animal fat, lard, beef tallow, doesn't matter. My go-to is a cooking spray. It's easy, spray on, literally just spray paint the inside, coat all the inside surfaces, inside of the firebox, inside of the charcoal grate. We do not want to spray anything on the outside because the paint hasn't cured, and we do not want to spray the seal or the inside of the door so oil doesn't run on the seal. The seal's got an adhesive on it. We want that adhesive to heat cure just like the paint. After it's cured, you can then spray the inside. It's similar to coating and seasoning a brand new cast iron skillet. So if you think of cast iron care and maintenance, that's what we're doing here. Third reason why we season it, there's bits of dust left over from manufacturing, grinding, welding. That oil will collect down to the bottom. Everything will be cleaned off. That's the third reason why. When we season this, we want to go ahead. I've got briquette charcoal, roughly 10 pounds. I got my fire starter here. I got my one split of wood. We're gonna go ahead, get that going. So we'll let that keep going. For seasoning, we want to control our temperature at 225, 250. To bring it up to temperature, we'll go ahead, leave the dampers wide open, leave the door open for just a little bit, let that catch. As it starts to come up to temperature, then we will go ahead and start choking down our air intake. You can leave your vent wide open or you can control it. Like wide open would be more like a stick burner. Controlling the top and the bottom would be more like a drum style cooker. You can do it either way. If I'm burning splits, I'm gonna leave my stacks wide open and control my temperature from the intake. As that charcoal burns down and the wood starts to burn, I'm gonna continue to feed this fire with splits of post oak. You can use any cooking wood, pecan, oak, hickory, mesquite, doesn't matter. Don't have to use wood. You can use just the charcoal. We just wanna maintain that temperature 225, 250 to cure everything. Once this is done curing, let it completely cool down. Then you're good to go. Thereon, you can cook on it. You can do your high heat cooks. Care and maintenance on this grill, keep the ashes cleaned out. We do not want to leave ashes left inside the cooker. When you're done, clean out the ashes. Treat the inside like a cast iron skillet. Again, more cooking oil, that's your best friend. Quickly spray the inside, charcoal grate area, cooking grate area, and you're good to go for next time. More information on this grill and our other products, please check out our website, lonestargrillz.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. We're going to be featuring several new videos on this particular grill, the El Patron. We're going to be cooking on it. We're going to do several different styles cooking, put it through its paces, show you all it can do. If you've got any ideas, anything you would like to see us cook on this grill, please drop a note in the comments. We'd love to see those, look at those, see what we can't cook for you guys. Obviously, we're going to be doing some pizzas in the pizza oven. I'm sure we're going to be baking on it, doing some direct grilling, rotisserie, some turkeys maybe. Thanksgiving's coming up. Thanks again. Please check out our website, the El Patron.